Alright, this is going to be our attempt at redneck hydro dipping. We've never done it before.
You're not supposed to do it inside.
Not supposed to do it inside, but we like to smell the paint. Alright, Alice has the idea of taking the painter's tape, go around the edge here, and then just taking these random little hooks for hanging decorations like you normally would into it so you have a place to hang it to dry. We also have to wipe these down with alcohol and make sure that they're perfectly clean. Alright, so we're going to use a 5-gallon bucket just purchased at Walmart for a couple dollars. You fill it 3/4 of the way with water that's temperature between 60 and 90 degrees because you don't want it too hot or too cold so the paint stays at good room temperature. Alright, this is our little prep table here. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Those look like they're pretty good.
Looking all over my breath.
A little breath on it. Alright, what colors do you think you guys are going to do for the first one?
I'm going to put pink in it.
Yeah, I want to put pink in my really weird green color.
Okay.
Just add some colors as you go. Alright, we got some cool colors going so far.
From all the green. Green?
The other green. Got your other green. Alright, so the trick is when you do this, you do not want to spray too close to the water because if the water flips up on top of the paint, then it ruins your ornament. Or whatever it is you're hydro dipping. We're doing ornaments, obviously. Take a straw and go through to put some design in it. Pull those colors through.
Don't hold the hook. We need that to hang it, but you want to pull your glove all the way up. Now, so dip it at an angle.
Like this.
Like. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going,
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
In.
Alright,
And shake it a little bit.
and then pull up.
Pull it up.
I may have added a lot of pink.
Oh, that looks cool on that side.
This is probably really pink.
I think the other side looks cool. Yeah, that one. This is a batch of red, green, and white. And stirred. We'll see how this one comes out.
Going, keep going. I think it came out awesome, actually.
Oh, that
I
one.
got stuck to my glove though.
Okay. That one came out good.
Oh, now it looks. I think that one came out good.
That one's actually really pretty. What we found so far is if you're using any red at all, you need to go really light because the red is overtaking everything we do. So we're going to try some more combinations. They're kind of pretty looking though. This is lots of green, gold, and white and 2 different color greens. So let's see how this comes out. Oh, that one came out so good.
It kind of looks like a key lime pie.
It does look like key lime pie. Alright, we're starting to get a couple that are coming out really good. And I think what we decided is the speed of which you get the color in and then swirl real quick and immediately dunk. So if you take even 30 seconds, it's already formed a skin across it and it doesn't go on very well. Whereas this one came out like really good.
Like,
This one came out pretty cool.
looks like not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Oh, I think it's pretty good.
Alright, Sebastian just made this one and it looks really good.
So the water actually has pretty good smell.
Look how pretty it is. Cool. Sounds wicked pretty.
I think that was your best yet.
Alright, when you're done, you just pick up your spray paint cans. We have plenty to do. Lots more. Maybe even paint a race car with it. Take your bucket, throw,
Hydro dip the whole
hydro dip the whole race car. You throw away the bucket, pick up the drop cloth, and you're done. Alright, as we are finishing up, these are the end results. In a second, we're gonna have the kids show you which of their favorite, how it came out. Pretty unique looking ones here. Tell me what one you think in the comments. Well, in a minute we'll show you what the kids think. Alright, Maggie's favorite of the experiment is this one.
Of the ones she
It is,
did,
of the ones she did. It's really pretty. This is Sebastian's favorite that he did. It does have a lot of, oh, it looks like a planet or something. This is how NASA's making the planets these days, guys. Alright, what's your second favorite one?
That one. Dude, I got it torn up.
Oh wow, that's really pretty, buddy. Ellis's favorite that she did is this really unique green one with like golds and green and white. And that's funny because my favorite that I did is right next to hers and it just looks like a snowball with some gold on it. Alright, tell us what one you like the most. And if you want, try this at home. It's well under $100 to do this.
Okay.
And I mean, we were able to find these ornaments for only 50 cents a piece. We used plastic ornaments. I think this is basically the same process, whether it's plastic or glass. Very important, make sure you wipe them off with either rubbing alcohol or something like that, and make sure, yeah, wash, dry, rubbing alcohol, something along those lines, because anything that was not clean left imperfections, and try not to double dip them like I did. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun.